Obviously here we are big believers in the tankless water heater. So much so I definitely put one in my house. My wife and I had two older water heaters. We lived in an older house, so they had added on a part to the house, so they had added a second water heater. So we actually had two water heaters, and there's just the two of us in the house right now. Now those were older units, so it was time to replace them, but I couldn't think of anything else that I would go with besides the tankless.
It's easy to tell people something's better. I've been plumbing for 30-some years, so for me to have it, it's got to be something that I trust. And if people see that I trust it, then they're more apt to be interested in something like that.
I've been installing tankless water heaters for 5 or 6 years now. So once I started installing them, seeing them in customers' homes, then started realizing, hey, this thing, actually does what it says it's going to do. It's endless hot water, saves you efficiency, saves you money in the long run. So it's a very, very good investment.
We can do really whatever we want without ever thinking about, are we going to run out of hot water, or is it going to be a problem? And that's just with two people, and we had two water heaters, which is kind of crazy to think about it running out so fast.
Wife gets the kids up, 2 kids, and bath and shower, and then normally she's last, and that's one thing that you don't want is the wife having the last cold shower. So with the tankless, everybody gets that nice warm shower, plus we can get the dishes going or throw in a load of laundry, and I'd say everybody has nice warm water.
If you're looking for an endless supply of hot water, basically how many people are in the house, how much water they're using, if it's everybody getting ready to go to church or everybody getting ready to go to school at the same time, that kind of thing. Where electric or gas water heater won't keep up with a tank, the tankless will.
So one of the biggest things is saving floor space. So tankless hangs on the wall. You free up that floor space, especially if you have a 75, 80 gallon, even a 50 gallon. You're saving quite a bit of floor space.
It's incredible. I mean, we were able to put another shelf in where the two water heaters used to be to store some stuff on, while the tankless was just kind of sitting over there on the wall, not bothering anything. So that's been kind of a nice benefit, especially our water heater's down in kind of a small cellar, so it was nice to grab some extra storage.
The tankless overall just seem like they have less problems. The problems we have with them are minor compared to the amount of things that go wrong with the tank water heaters.
Overall, I'm a tankless fan. We promote it a lot to our customers, but I think it's one of those things, until you have it really in your house and you're experiencing it on a daily basis, it's then when you realize, like, oh my gosh, like this thing is making my life better and easier.
I think it's the way of the future. I think eventually the tank water heaters are going to be a thing of the past, and the tankless are going to be what's here to stay because of the efficiency, and that seems to be the way the world's going, is everybody's looking for something more efficient nowadays.
Whenever you get home from a hard day of work, you can take a 3-week shower and never run out of hot water.
Thanks again for watching this episode. Again, remember, we are here to bring you information and to educate you on everything in your home that has to do with your heating and your plumbing needs. If you found this at all informational or useful and are maybe wondering, maybe a tankless could be right for my home, the best way to get started is either to give us a call or to click the link in the description to schedule a complimentary estimate from a licensed plumber who can further educate you, take a look at your unique situation, and make sure that it is indeed the right thing for you and your family. See you next time.